There is lots of different stands. Everybody stands different because of the different body structure, height, weight. I'm just gonna show you the most important basics which you can use, which universal for the most people. So there are key rules. You don't want to be too high to the shot, because to deliver cue through the ball, you need to then drop your elbow to get parallel. Or if you don't do that, then you go too steep into the shot and then your stroke is too short. So if you are a beginner intermediate level player and your standard is not improving, I just recommend start with being as level as possible. Which means, for example, if you play with the topspin shot, you just have about half a finger gap between cushion and the cue. So let's say you play cue ball into that middle pocket. So you want to have this kind of gap. You don't want to be too steep, and you don't want to be totally parallel, because then you're gonna hit cushion. So just a half a finger gap with the topspin shot, okay? This is really important because then you can push through the cue ball straight. If you are too steep to the shot like this, like Ronnie is, then you need to push by dropping elbow, and not everybody can do this successfully. Most of people can't. So just make sure that you are just about half a finger gap between the cushion, and just play parallel through the ball. Because that's gonna provide you consistent height, consistent hit, and in general you're gonna be good. If you can't bend down as low, no problem. You just have to make sure that with regular stance you cannot bend, you just make your stance a little bit wider, because the wider stance is gonna help you bend better to the shot. And if you can't do it, no problem, you can bend your right knee a little bit. Also, it's gonna provide you a stability, and as well you're gonna bend down a bit lower. So if I play a basic shot, let's say, so if you feel steep, so put your left leg a little bit wider, don't move your right leg, and just bend down. And especially if you're a very tall guy, above 190, 187, if you don't have enough flexibility, and just be like that, okay? If you can do that, just make sure that you have a correct height for the topspin shot, and that's it. Don't be too steep and don't be too parallel, because then you're gonna hit cushion as well. So just about half of the finger gap. Just like that. If you play just below center or low on the cue ball, the gap is slightly higher. So with topspin it's about half of the finger gap. With low on the cue ball is just about 1.5 finger gap, not more than this. And because then you're just digging down the cue a little bit low, so this is more than enough height to play properly. Especially when you play a screw back shot, just don't make sure that you're not steep to the shot like this. Just around here is more than good enough to play most screw back shots properly. And it is basic as it is. Just use this principle and you're gonna see how better you're gonna cue.